Normally, your browser will decide where to wrap lines in a paragraph based on the size of the viewport and the dimensions of each character. You may force a line break using the BR tag. Let's go ahead and make a working copy of text.html. Call this text-working.html. And I'll open it in my text editor. I'm going to go ahead and open this in the browser as well. And there you can see the entire file for those of you who are typing along at home. So here we have some text, and you see in the browser it's just some lorem ipsum, and it's wrapping naturally. Now let's say that I just want to add a line break right after that first sentence here. I'm going to go ahead and turn wrapping on here. And so there's the end of the first sentence. I'm just going to put in a line break. And of course, that is ignored by HTML. It's just wrapped together with all of the other white space. So if I really want it to be a new line, I can put in a BR tag. And BR is an empty tag. It doesn't have any content. So I use this empty tag shortcut with the slash and the right angle bracket. And when I save that and reload it in the browser, now we get a line break right after that period there, right where I put in the BR tag. You'll notice that this line break is not a paragraph break. The paragraph continues. The paragraph break you recognize by the fact that there's an extra blank line in between. This just actually breaks the line. If I were to put in two of them, then I could make it look like a paragraph break, but it's still not. Still, the end of our paragraph is down here at the closing of the P tag. So that's really all there is to it. It's that easy to put in line breaks in your paragraphs. Now, the browser also controls the spacing between words, intelligently folding consecutive white space into single spaces. If you want to insert extra spaces, you can do so with a named entity called NBSP for non-breaking space. And that looks like this. I'm just going to insert one right here, NBSP, like that. And I'm going to save that and reload. And watch this space here as I hit the reload button. Oh, I'm sorry, it was this one up here. I pointed at the wrong space. But right there, you see now we have more space. I can enter a few of those and come over here and hit reload. Now watch the right space up there. Boom. See, it just moves over. And so this allows us to actually enter spaces and use spaces in places where HTML might not otherwise have as much space as we want. So normally your browser does a good job of managing line breaks and spaces between words. If you want to insert your own line breaks and inline spaces, it's easy to do with BR and the non-breaking space entity.